Well, hi there folks, don't know if you remember this. This was my first Lidl RC conversion. I'm now on number 9. Lidl number 1. The build blog has actually got 50,000 views on YouTube now. But it did turn out pretty scruffy, which is why, if you remember, I gave it a bit of a makeover in this video just here. Part of the makeover included chopping the nose back, but also it was about improving battery storage, because the original build, because I built it so heavy with so much carbon here, ended up so heavy that I needed a battery sat on the top here, which looked pretty awful. So part of the makeover was improving battery storage. One thing I hadn't really considered was just how much chopping off the nose or shortening the nose would affect the centre of gravity, although when you think about it, it's obvious. And before I flew it, I tested with the battery here, and it was way too tail heavy. Fortunately, I discovered that there's room in here for the battery to slide right forward, and with it way up front in here, it was just perfect, as you can see, about 55mm from the leading edge. So I gave it a couple of test flights yesterday. Test clips are coming up. Quick recap on the motor and prop combination. It's a 2212 6T 22 kV with a 6040 prop, and as you'll see with the 800 3S, it was exceedingly good. Probably be fine with a 2S. Anyway, here are the clips coming up. Hope you enjoy them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, check out the build blog, check out some of the other vids on my channel. I'll catch you all again soon. Let's go. Right folks, well, I'm up at the strip. It's a bit gusty, not the kind of perfect day, but the redesigned bullnose, my original Lidl conversion with the battery put in a different place and a few other design mods, different prop, is going to get another test flight, so wish me luck. I must say, I do hate hand launching because you don't get a lot of time to get control. It's very windy. This is almost taking off without me doing anything. I'm going to give it 3/4 throttle and make sure I throw upwards. Whoa, it's twitchy. That's better, half throttle. Oh yeah. Half throttle. We have control. Because that's full throttle. And boy, has it got some performance full throttle. I can't handle it full throttle. Let's get used to it. Probably needs a bit more down thrust. But considering the windy day, yeah, half throttle, it's quite manageable and nice to fly. I'll make sure I keep it upwind. Probably needs a bit of down trim, but I'm now that's hands off. Yeah, it's still climbing too much. Way too much. Bring it round and land. I'll land and give it some down trim, but that's flying well really. I'm pleased with that. Right, give it some down trim. Probably fly okay with a 2S actually. Right, here we go again. Nice high throw. Oh, that's a bit better. Yeah, that's almost hands-free. It's still climbing too much. Yeah, it needs more down. It needs more down thrust. But yeah, because I'm having to push the nose down. I'm having to push the nose right down to keep it down. But whoa, that flies lovely. Full throttle. Whoa, did you see that? Full throttle loop. Full throttle power loop. Right, I'm going to land because I want to save a bit of battery for another model. Got a nice glide. Got a nice glide. Yeah, I'll save a bit of battery. But I'm well pleased with that. I'm just going to give it a bit more down thrust. But that power loop was just amazing.